I'm Dr. Chris Bai. I'm also the senior color expert at BenQ, but I also serve a job at the ICC, which stands for International Color Consortium. I'm the vice chair of ICC and also the chair of the Displays Working Group. For designers, without a proper management monitor, it actually will suffer a lot from the color inconsistency. What does that mean? That means when you actually look at your work, from your monitor, you think it's fine, but imagine when you give out your work to actually your client and to your colleagues, it doesn't look fine at all. And maybe you're working on like collaboration to each other, and maybe multiple people are changing to the same file with different colors on your monitor, and that will be a disaster. How do we overcome that challenge? So basically, that we need a really consistent color across the screens. Okay, that's why we're offering today the total solution as in hardware and the software. That is come back to our brand statement because it matters, because we think every designer actually we need to feel confident in their design, their work, without second guessing their colors, right? And most importantly, they have to be confident when they send out their work, it has to truly represent what they're actually designed it for. So that's why we have spent 6 years developing our calibration software called Palette Master Ultimate. And it's actually, it's not only powerful, but it's very intuitive use. If you know about color management, it's very simple to use, but if you've never heard of it before, we also have a really basic mode for anybody that was never used a color management workflow before. It's just simply click 1, 2, 3, that's it, okay? So, but you get the same color accuracy than the expert does. So that's basically the design. No matter have you ever used a color management software before, you can always get the same accuracy from our hardware. Another solution is if you don't have a calibrator, you can always use your eye to calibrate. Well, I wouldn't say calibrate, but to adjust the color between two monitors. That is called display color clock. And you can also match these colors together. So after this workshop, you can feel free to look at these two monitors. These can be adjusted by product manager. Feel free to actually to feel it, how you can adjust it by our piece of software. It's pretty simple. So there are actually two new monitors I would like to talk about. These are the two flagship designer monitors that we're going to showcase in this at Adobe Max. The first one is our first new 5K monitors. It's called PD2730S. And it actually features a really nice pixel density. It's a 218 pixel per inch, and actually gives you a really nice detail and vivid colors. The color accuracy is very good. It's actually within delta E of less than 2. It actually also have a very nice M-Book mode. What is an M-Book mode? It's actually perfect for MacBook color matching. Also come with a Thunderbolt 4 technology. It does also support daisy chain and the KVA functionality, making it easier for user to having multiple devices, multiple monitors, with just a single setup, like a very simple connectivity. The other monitor I would like to showcase is the PD3226G. It's actually a 32-inch 4K monitor with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It's perfect for a user with a motion design and also gaming design, because all gaming is all about refresh rate, and if you can design a gaming character on these high refresh rate color accurate monitors, that would be perfect for your game design industry. This is why we have these monitors designed in mind. Okay. No matter your workflow consists of dynamic or static, the PD3226G will actually ensures that every detail is displayed really good, really flawlessly and smoothly because of the high refresh rate and the good color accuracy. So basically, that's what I'd like to talk about, and welcome you to actually look at our displays and look at our solutions like a display color clock, Palette Master Ultimate. And most importantly, I would like to emphasize that BenQ's new monitor and color management software solutions are actually designed to ensure perfection in every detail for your creative work. So we're here to help you to solve your color communication problems. As a color expert, I would like to emphasize that accurate color, the critical accurate color is important to every designer, for every project, and to every client.